Brake. Brake, huh? Brake. You know where your brake is? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
You make a right turn.
Right, right. Okay. Okay. Take look at the right mirror. Then press brake, brake. Only use brake hand. When you're turning your wheels, you should put your feet on the brake. Make it slow. Watch the truck. What they're going to do. Okay. Okay. Straight. Okay. Be very careful. So many people across here. Okay. Do you understand me, sir? Do you still? Opo. Okay. Sige. Slow. Bagal, bagal. Jeep, oh. Is it slow? Brake. Hey. You know slow? That is slow. Left turn. Okay. Left. Okay. Signal, huh? Left. Okay. There. Okay. Then straight. Never use gas. Just only brake. Okay. If you turn your wheels to the right one turn, you should back in one turn on the left. Okay? Stay on the brake. Make it slow or stop. Okay? Okay, then watch. There. Okay. Okay. OMG. Big. Press it slow. Soft press. Okay. You should stay on the brake. You should stay on the brake. Make it slow by pressing a brake. Make it slow by pressing a brake. Brake, okay, to make it slow. Okay. Okay, then. Okay, watch the girls. Okay. 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 Then take a look on the left mirror, then gas before you speed. Before you speed up, okay, go, gas. Take a look on the further part of your roads. Okay, stay on the brake. Okay, gas. Soft, very soft gas. Stay on soft. Just like that, 20. Stay on 20 kilometers per hour. Okay. Smile, sir. Okay, that's a very important. Okay, so we're going to turn. So what did you use? Gas or brake?
Brake.
Brake. Very good. When did you press your brake? The gas? When you're going to straight. Okay. Pull over to the one turn to the left. Okay, that's enough. Okay, if it's okay, then back to straight. Okay, that one. Okay, then gas. Soft gas. 10 kilometer per hour. 10. Pressing like a 10. Stay on 10. Stay on 10. Take a look. 1 seconds. Okay. So did you feel now how to press the gas? Okay. Now, so we will make a turn right. Turn right. Signal. Okay. Right signal, then brake. Stop. Brake. Make it very slow. If it's the road becomes too tight, right. Never use gas, huh? Just only use brake. Okay, then straight, back, feel it. Okay, just feel it. Perfect. You're good, man. Okay. Very soft. Okay, straight. Brake. Stay on the brake. I will put in the brake. Brake. Oh, you see that bike? You see the bike, man? Okay, huh? You see the bike?
Easy.
Yeah. Brake, 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 brake. See that? Just take a look at the kid, huh? Okay, take a look around. Okay, look around. Look at left, look at right, crossing the streets. In every blind corners. Slowly, 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 slowly. You see that? You feel that motorbike?